Muling binalikan ng kapamilya aktres na si Janine Gutierrez ang simula ng kanilang love story ng jowang si Jericho Rosales. Sa kanyang guesting sa Almost Honest podcast ni Kylie Versosa, ibinahagi niyang pasok na pasok si Echo sa lahat ng mga katangiang hinahanap niya sa magiging kasintahan sa hinaharap. Super unexpected also that I'm with Echo. I mean, I never would have seen it coming. This is funny, but I wrote down a list of characteristics before of what I wanted my future partner to be like. Paninimula nga ni Janine. Pagpapatuloy niya, and then when I met Echo first time meeting him and hanging out with him alone, I said, oh my gosh, siya lahat to. Sa feeling ko, nag-work talaga yung like writing down. Chika pa nga ni Janine, minanifest niya ang mga bagay na isinulat, ngunit hindi naman niya ninanais na humanap agad ng lalaking mamahalin. I got to manifest but not even to find someone right away. I just wrote down a list so I won't settle for any less. And then when I met him, I was like, wow, Jesus heard me, say pa ng actress. Nagkwento rin si Janine sa kanyang mga experiences ngayong katambal niya ang boyfriend sa kanyang series na The Loyalty Game. Aniya, nakatulong ang kanilang pagkakaroon ng project together para mailabas nila ang mabigat na emosyon ng kanilang karakter sa serye pagkatapos ng bawat araw ng kanilang taping. Working with him is super fun kasi we were able to shake off the heaviness of the story when it's packed up or when it is a rest day. We go somewhere to eat or pasyal lang or drive around Iloilo with super ganda ng Iloilo. By the way, ang Bacolod, lahat pa ni Janine Gutierrez. Dagdag pa nga niya, so at least there's balance because I think if I wasn't doing this project with him, sobrang much harder, super bigat, and I'm glad that we are so lucky that we got to work together. So I'm so grateful for that. Naging bukas rin si Janine sa kung paano niya hinahandle ang mga bagay sa tuwing may tampuhan sila pero may kailangan silang gawing eksena. Luckily, we never had a fight that crossed over to work and like this full the loyalty game. Wala naman kaming fight actually. We don't really fight. So I never came up a point na parang di kami nagpapansinan at work or anything like that. So I'm super lucky in the sense, sabi pa ni Janine Gutierrez.